Yeah.
I think a bird could get him if he's out in the open. Move, buddy.
Easton, look here. What's that?
Oh, Easton, no! Easton, no! Oh, no!
He won't hurt it.
Yeah, his teeth.
He'll just shake it.
No, that's not Easton, come here! You should get him off him.
No, he won't hurt it. He loves snakes.
Yeah, but their teeth. His teeth could hurt him. No, he's trying to chew on. Mommy.
Uh-oh, shit, I'm stuck.
Easton!
Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy.
Come on, Easton. Come on. Easton.
Come here, bud.
Tried to chew him. It's on him. It's on him. It's wrapped in his, it's in his harness. Do they bite?
Nope. Well, they do bite, but they won't hurt him.
Yeah, but we have to get it off his harness. He's clinging to him because Easton was hurting him. Can you get him off and throw him out, Mommy? I'm sure he's in his harness.
If you throw a stick out, Easton will get it. And,
Oh yeah, throw the stick so that Easton can go in the water. Easton, go get. I think it's on him. Have you seen it? Did you see it?
no, I think it dug itself into the dirt.
Yeah, no, he looked like he was trying to crunch him. Do you think he hurt him?
No.
Well, he's had snakes before?
Yep.
Easton, come here. I don't want to see a snake being tortured. That's just going to ruin my night. Because it just kind of like, he was crunching, it looked like he was being quite firm. But you've seen him just like gently mouth them before?
Yep, he just wanted to play.
It's not on him, eh?
I don't know.